One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? It's been working just like.
What's up, everybody?
Welcome to Sibling Rivalry.
Episode 42. Yes.
42 with me, Talita Ndima.
Zugondima Lelami Kama.
Yo, guys, what a week. Who else? I mean, how was your week?
You seem like you've got a couple of burning issues that you'd want to address.
I don't know. It just felt long.
Okay.
For me, it felt really long. But I also moved this week, so it was just a lot.
You be moving on up.
You know, I don't know why I have so many clothes.
Yes. Do you feel like you've got too many clothes?
Now that I've had to move all of them, yes. I didn't think so before.
Man also took your outfit. Oh, Kini, hey, that kendam gaka. Hey, yo, hi, dan zimbi lahlekile le dog.
100%.
And you know how many clothes you've lost?
Exactly, that I don't even know where they are.
Dog.
The thing is, with like Dain Kendam Gaga, is that you don't want to throw it away because you can go back. Exactly. So
But you never do.
No, but I have.
Okay.
I literally have.
Okay.
I can fit into all my old stuff now.
Okay. Are you gonna wear your old stuff now?
100%. That's why I didn't throw certain pieces away because it's pieces that I actually liked.
Okay. And then what we ask about this opinion ziklingani.
Dandithemba kaloku bazophinda sidlingane.
Okay. Okay. Amahlwembu wona uthini ngawo? No.
I said I wasn't going to do this today.
Okay.
Amahlwembu kaloku nawo afumane ngoku now that I've moved because zikhona ezinye izinto endiqomba.
Okay, so you've got stuff. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. 100%. Yabona ke ndiyayithanda ke ngomna londo leyo. Andiyazi ba yimi intoni ibihlekisa but asikho lapho, but ndiyayithanda ke mna ke londo leyo, very important because nyani it's like, and to your point, half of the stuff that we have in our wardrobes.
We don't wear.
Yeah.
And apparently the rule is if you haven't worn it in a year, don't then give it away.
Yeah, 6 months in the lap.
6 months.
Because now what I find is that I always wear the same things.
Stuff over
And now
over.
what I've said is andi ndimcelile ngoba izinto ezintsha ezinto azihlambileyo was-ayina azibeke ngaphansi.
Oh, okay. So that on top is new stuff.
But then there's me ndikhuphula pha.
How was your week?
My week was cool. One of my good friends turned 40 this week. Shout out to you, Mbonjisto. Shout out to Akona.
Why did you not invite me to your party?
And he had a theme party, right? And the theme party came in with 80s disco. No. I'm gonna see if we can actually add in post what I look like.
Yes.
One thing about me, love me a theme party and I will dress the theme. So if on a theme party, invite them guys. No time abantu bazofika babeba. Hey Buddha, no. No.
What is it? Hi, Buddha. What is that?
They don't dress the theme when you put a theme there.
Oh, yeah.
And there's another friend of mine who's going to be having a theme party. Kaya no who's the cartoon characters. Nanzabangu, Kiri, ayamo.
Are you going to wear that whole thing?
Yamo. Yeah, that's my favorite character.
That's child entertainment. It's not for adult parties.
Yeah, and she just turned 30, and she's going to do that. So, yeah. But again, so, I don't know. That's the only thing that I can remember in my week.
The party.
Haven't dating outfitted. Holy leyo kanjani.
Yeah, we must put it up.
I'm
please.
hoping we can put up the picture so that you guys can see and let me know if I nailed it or not.
I think you nailed it. It was very unexpected. When I saw the picture, I was like, oh, you can do that?
Yeah,
But
no,
yeah,
for sure.
yeah,
So
it was cool.
yeah, that for me was I think what really sticks out.
Okay.
Otherwise, everything else, I
That
don't know.
means
It's
you
just
had
like a
an
blur,
alright-
man.
Yeah, okay. Sometimes weeks can be blurs for real.
No, absolutely. So
Okey-dokey.
ilondo leyo, but ke.
Should we start with some comments?
Sure, let's start with some comments. I've got the comments this week. This is on the episode that we did on happiness.
Okay.
Or pursuit of happiness, rather. And we got some comments. Thank you so much for that, guys. Yeah, and the comments are zihlikihli comments ale veki fonini. Yabona ba hey hayi abantu bane phansi ndathi banezimvi. Banezimvo. Ne? Is that the right word? Aha! Oh, yeah. Siyalo, bro.
Yes,
Yakuncedisa,
Tosaland. Fighting.
Definitely. Do you think your English is better than your Xhosa?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think in English?
Yes.
Okay. Jeez. Okay.
And you?
Which is surprising.
Why?
Kodwa ufunda kwisikole sineshete yellow.
Oh, boy.
Jokes. Okay.
If there's anything wrong with this share, it's called the shirt as yellow.
No, definitely not, Aibo. We've got a comment from Q Mbali Mambinga 4259. So back then, guys, does that number mean something to you?
No, YouTube gives you that number. Even me on my Talita Travels YouTube,
Yeah?
there's 4 numbers at the end that I don't know where they came from.
Oh, it's like it means something like omnye umzali wazalwa ngo-42, omnye wazalwa ngo-59.
No.
Number that means something. Okay, mhlawumbe ipini yakhe yebhanka. Okay, says uthi yena Q, quick question to you guys. Dianitanda, by the way.
Thank you.
Heart, 1 for 3. Been watching you guys. Umbuzo uti, most of the episodes zenu surely mos niza ne topic. Now, do you guys end up talking about lo topic or can you end up talking about something else? Cause usis Talita would ask utamzupela uba mhlawumbi ibinjani iveki yakhe. And then there will be something that will trigger the whole conversation. Andiyazi noma niyandiva or niyawuva umbuzo wami.
We do have a topic. But
We do have a topic.
Yeah, we do have a topic before we start, but we kind of seem to find a way to like seamlessly blend it in.
Yes, correct. And I
Yeah.
think maybe it's happened once or twice whereby Kalisile, and exactly that happens. You explain your week and then it triggers something and then we go into that.
Yeah. Sometimes we have a topic and then the thing that happened during the week takes over and then we
Yes.
don't use the topic.
Yes, correct.
yeah.
But I think one thing that I also find quite amusing, and I'm glad it really works, is that naxa sinayo topic sivele sibize i-heading, like we don't discuss it beforehand, but okay, ndizawuthi uthi ndithi
No.
uthi. It's like we just say horses.
Yeah.
Sathetha ngehorses ke namhlanje sithi hayi ke sure ke mtshana,
Yeah.
sure. And then we just go, I enjoy it. It's
100%. We never know what's going to happen, just like you guys. We think we have a script. No, but I think that's what makes it so cool is that we're also discovering as we're going. So
Yes.
it doesn't feel planned to the viewer.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like something that was pre-scripted. And it feels like we're all just like
yes.
having this conversation impromptu.
Correct.
Yeah.
No, that's exactly it. That's also exactly my experience.
Mm.
PAWU. Kubani lo?
Pow.
Pow.
Pew.
Yeah, esimadala sesifike nakulo age lo. Sisibhanqa nawo umuntu ethetha something nathi pow. Konfatiza. Yo. You know like, what does that even mean, bro? Does
an
anyone else's
expression.
parents do that? Or uncles lebekuza? Pow. Why you like a pewle? Hey, sorry. Now it's not like we're making fun of this name.
No,
Okay.
we just don't know what it is.
Okay. Pow. Mkingwana. 8504.
Maybe nguphawu, but they misspelled.
Yes. Oti, hi, Talita. If you don't mind, could you share where you got your hair done, please? Honestly, looks amazing.
Oh, thank you so much. So kamtana.
One thing I know about women and hair, uzakutela ngendawo emnyama edark edinje esetown. Ongasoze ufane uyifanise nenwele zakhe. But ke, over to you.
What had happened was I was scrolling on TikTok this one time. And then I saw this lady do this hairstyle that I've never seen before. And I was like, what is that?
Yeah.
And then she had an explanation video. And then I was like, okay, I'm definitely doing that video.
Okay.
I'm doing that hairstyle. Then I went to go get the hairpiece at this place that I always go to. It's called like Goddess Queen or something in Randburg, in Randburg Square.
Okay.
And then Paya, they have like a salon at the back. And I was like, my sister, Masizamelendo. But it's called Kinky Boho Braids. And if you look that up, either on TikTok, even on Pinterest, you'll see videos of Bayen's Wanjani. I've done it twice. This is the second time. And I did it at 2 different places. So You can do it anywhere, really.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's called?
Kinky boho braids.
Okay. All right. Sharp. Hey, I'm not one hairstyle and I'm go to hairstyle.
Intention.
Yaki kaloku.
Yeah, it's not even a hairstyle. It's a hairpiece.
Okay, sure. What it is.
Oh, was these singles?
Mfundisi badala sikhule sithenga izinto kaloku mfundini. Yakhumbula, hey, I wonder why ave laa mntu wam ndamthengela iyakhe esithi 1.5. But anyways, here we have another comment from Nomzamo Mginqi. 5079.
Yeah.
This is just my take, but I think the things of this world will never fulfill us. God is the only one that truly fulfills us. Try Jesus, seriously. If you haven't, try Jesus, seriously, if you haven't. I love you guys. I maybe should practice reading the comments. Thank you for that. Thank you for that, Nomzamo. And you know what? I think now the happiness topic in Yabonma, it triggered a lot of things in people. And thank you for sharing that. Really, really appreciate it. I often say, jokingly, but also in real life, Bamna, you know what? I've tried it all. And now I think it's about time I try Jesus. So I'm definitely in my trying Jesus era as well. And then we have Utembela Zini. Investing in self-care makes me happy. I try and treat myself like Iqanda and I matter. Being conscious of how blessed I am and what a blessing I am to others.
No, that's cute.
Like that.
That's cute.
Like that.
I remember there was a time when I was kind of going through like a weird time with a boy. It's always a boy in it. And then
Try me and my boy.
try Jesus. And I was talking to my friend and she was like, "Hey, bo, and I was like, you know what? This person would be lucky to have me in their lives. You know what I'm saying? Because I had to like reel back and be like, I'm dope. I'm actually like the grand, you know? And if you can't see it, awukho grand wena.
Go yeah, for sure.
So let's leave that at that,
Yeah.
you know? Because I think a lot of the times we like to make it about us being not enough in situations where we're trying to get in and the situation is not right for us.
Yes.
But ultimately, I think it's better to then go, hey man, this one's not for me, but I'm also dope.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? And I go ready lo mntu for dopeness yam.
Correct. So qala ube liqanda lakho before ukwazi uba liqanda le-Grootman.
100%. And I mean, I remember there was a comment that was talking about people trying to find happiness in other people.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of the time we don't answer that question to ourselves. Where you go, are you trying to find happiness for yourself?
Correct. Yes.
In yourself?
Yes.
Or are you constantly looking for happiness in other people? Happiness yako in other people.
Yeah.
And it's very easy to do that.
No, absolutely. And it's equally nyani as easy to get kind of lost in that source. And I think that's actually the next comment that I'm going to read. That
sorry.
Speaks to that.
I thought we were done. My bad.
No, we've got one more. So, no, definitely. I think it's very important to treat yourself first, how also you would like others to treat you. So that once people start treating you outside of how you treat yourself, then it's easy to kind of see what that looks like. And it's easy to be like, yo, man, aingo yempula-pula. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, my mom's giving up on me.
Oh, you're right there. And then also the last comment from Tandi Saswarts, who also turned 30. Happy birthday, Tandi.
Happy birthday.
Episode 40 came out on her 40th
birthday.
Yes. Not me crying kule piece yeshe kazuko kesana. The way that I've been trying to figure out what would make me happy, should my circumstances not change. Also, ndine tendency yobeka happy yam komnye umntu. I've since chosen celibacy because andivumi ngam. So I think to what you were speaking about as well, of nyani sometimes it's happiness and then not necessarily in things in ourselves or in things that we really like make us happy, which nyan becomes a challenge sometimes, because abantu nabo sihlala zitshintsha goalposts.
100%.
What makes ubani happy today ngomso ayisamenze happy, now you have to do something else, and then it just becomes a disaster. So I think it's very important, Nyanji, to find out what
and
is for you.
Yeah, because when that person takes their happiness away, then you're a disaster.
Yeah, correct.
Then you don't know what to do with yourself.
Absolutely.
There's nothing better than actually meeting someone who is already so content in themselves, and then the way in which they love or they share themselves with you is so innocent and so pure
Yeah.
that it does inspire, happiness in
Yes.
you for
Correct.
sure.
Yeah.
But being happy first is like the number one rule.
There we go.
You happy first, and then abanye abantu, then it'll be much easier.
Correct. And abanye abantu, when you're happy, abanye abantu benefit as a result of you being happy. So it's all really, really good. All the time. It all works out in the end. And if it doesn't work out, it's not the end.
I was really trying to see where that was going to end.
So, yeah, that's that. You know what we have on the board here? Eh?
13.
No, I'm pointing at the board.
Oh, the board. I thought you were pointing at the clock.
No.
Yes, I do know what you have on the board. Work harder. No one cares.
Nobody cares. Work harder. Nobody cares. Work harder. Guys, for me, well, I got that from Loyiso Madinga.
I was wondering.
That's one of my favorite gags of his. One of his favorite gags of mine. I don't know, whatever.
You said it right the first time.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Where he's like always like asking people, hey, so how do you feel about Indotile? And then as they're about to answer, it's like, nobody cares, work harder. And I think that's such a great thing because Nyani, in the greater scheme of things, I've come to realize, but guys, it's just like, let's just work hard, man.
Yeah.
Nobody cares.
I think the nobody cares part for me rings the truest. It's
Nah.
just like, no one actually cares.
Yeah, no.
'Cause
And,
listen, we've
even
got
if
our
they
own
do, they
things.
don't care as much as we think they care.
No, we think people are walking around their lives thinking about us.
Yes.
Do you know like how hard life is? Oh man, ngicinga no. Omunye usisa engamaziyo.
So, qome yena, wena uqome awubethelwa nangu a.
Do re mi fa.
Okay, exactly. So yeah, just I found that interesting.
Do you,
it
boo?
just it sticks out in my mind. So yeah, that's my contribution.
Cool. Let's do a quick Xhosa situation.
Okay, sure, for sure.
The first one
Hey, why
was.
akanowabhala amagama ntombi?
I just remember them. It's 2 words.
Okay.
The first one, I was having a conversation with our sister Okutaza
Yeah.
this week, and then she was like, "Please, can we do a word of mine? Please, can I do a suggestion?" So
Okay.
I was like, "Okay, girl." So her suggestion was chocho.
Yo. Is it positive or negative?
It is not positive.
It can be. Chochubeko.
Oh yes, true. It can be both.
Chocholoza. Is it linked to chocholoza?
What's
Yeah,
chocholoza?
chocholoza. It's burning.
No.
Okay. Chocho. I almost want to say good for you. No, not spa.
Serves you right.
Serves you right. But then it doesn't work with chochubeko.
No, for sure. So there's 2 different meanings. You can have a
Yes.
positive connotation
Okay.
and a negative.
Serves you right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Serves you right. So when somebody, whatever, trips over
Yes,
something and
yes.
you say, cho, I mean, it's not a nice thing
Serves
to
you
say.
right, which also is giving me a bit of karma.
Yes, it's
Okay.
giving you did something to
Okay.
deserve that.
Yes. Good. Yeah. Good for you. Serves you right. I
Yeah.
prefer serves you right. Yeah. Happy with that.
And then the positive connotation, chochubeko, it's a good thing
Yeah.
that you are around.
Grateful. Yeah.
Which is wild. How can
Yeah.
that word have 2 such different meanings?
Yeah.
But yeah, thanks Kutaza for contribution.
Shout out.
And then the second one is a word that we spoke about in 2 episodes ago, and we just skimmed through it because I was just talking. It wasn't like a Xhosa word we're looking at. It's
Okay.
kengelele. Chongobas is kengelele. What does that mean?
Friendly.
Uh-uh.
Always smiling.
Always smiling. Yeah.
Always smiling. But always smiling in a weird way, in a dorky way. Like, mna xa usithi sikhengelele picture mna ozathi hayi mna. Yazi mna Talita. Hey. Don't send me. Hi ma.
Yes.
That's what it
it's
is.
like awkwardly smiling.
Yes,
Okokoko.
yes. It's not
Yeah.
like just smiling as in friendly. It's you're awkward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Umuntu wakho sana sisikhengele.
Ungcumela yonke into, uhleka yonke into. Udla ngokuthi nembukane edlulayo angayihleka.
Uyayilapha.
What an ugly word.
It depends on your tone when you're saying it. You could literally be like, yo, hayi sana uzuko sisikhengelele somntu ndiyamthanda.
No, that's not how it works. It's always like disa umnu. Yeah, it's a very bad term actually.
No, guys, please use the words kengelele in a positive connotation for us in the comments because I want to show this
I
man.
also would love to hear what this is going to turn out like.
Okay, cool.
Well done.
100%.
Today, when it comes to the topic, I've been begging Utalita to tell me what the topic is, and she has just refused. So, guys, I just want you to know, a disclaimer, I'm flying in blind on this episode. I have no clue what we're about to talk about. So, Talita, please take it away.
Over to you, my dear. Okay, so, everybody gets paid at like different times of the month,
Sure.
right? I don't know when who gets paid on the 15th, but fine. 15th,
No one knows abantu abarhola nge-15 ngamagqolo. Wa! Amakota pasti. Yo, angeke. Kota pasti. Umuntu bengathi akwenze kangando, kodwa upeyile.
Nakathini?
Hayi bo ufundini ithetho thina siyakwazi uphosa kusipili bayendipeyile. No. Amakota pasti. Kuthwani guys?
No, dude, I think that's a good thing. If Ben paying a 15 now, menzo tula ndidi
For what?
because everybody's broke, so everyone's gonna come to you anyway.
Okay, I'll hold that
Hold that
thought.
So 15, 20, 25, right?
Yeah.
But now let's say me and you get paid on the same day.
Okay.
Sipayang at
I said
25.
25, yeah.
Yeah, and we get paid the same amount. 20,000.
Okay. So we are what? We are brother and sister. We're just
Yeah, we are
people.
brother and sister. We can be friends, but we know each other.
Mm.
And then wena, you're 25.
Yeah.
Uzapha kum, uzocela imali.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
This was inspired by someone on TikTok, by the way. I saw this. Yo, don't come for me, please. I must just remember who they are. And then, uzocela imali wena.
Yeah.
Get 25.
Yeah.
But they're the same.
Yeah.
What are you saying, ngengxaki zam? Are they not important?
No, I'm saying ingxaki zami ziyandongamela. I've got a
But
lot
you
of-
don't know about my problem.
It's fine, so I can't ask.
But Jog, we got paid the same
What?
amount of money.
So?
So what do you think about lending money to exes?
Exy. Hey, chocolate. What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Exy.
Are you not friends with any of your exes? Huh?
And not ex. What? What?
Trust me.
Lendi, why to my ex specifically?
Fine. What do you think about lending money?
I'll lend you money, bro.
Easy.
Betha nge-interest qam. Yaba ngathi ndiyakuskopisa, ndisiskopar.
And then when someone doesn't pay you, do you like chase after them?
Yeah, you have to. So, look, we all have different problems,
I know that.
right? And now I'm happy to lend you money. Khanza kuxelela uba nangam ufuna i-100 rand ke izawubuya i-100 and
So even if I'm your ex, is what I'm saying, you'll give me.
it depends on the relationship that we have.
Grand, like we're
We're just the normal persons now. We're friends.
yeah, we're friends.
No, it's fine. I don't think that's
Do you think that your partner would be happy with it?
ingenaphi bana yami imali
Oh,
zami. Bro, people are so secretive about money that it's not even something that I think is worth a mention.
so you'd keep it from your partner.
Foni ndibalisela wonke umuntu ndimboleka imali. Hey foni, ufona uJerome namboleka imali. Ufona ubani namboleka imali. Hey nami ndaboleka imali kubani?
So would you be happy with your ex lending money to, with your partner lending money to their ex?
I think would I be happy is a bit of a stretch. First and foremost.
Phofu sayifumana ne-happiness yakho maybe. So fine.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's a bit of a stretch, but I think I wouldn't feel like weird, funny.
So it wouldn't touch you in any way, shape or form.
No.
Uyazi ba, yo, wayokubalisele ngale ex and the ex did her so dirty. Now she's lending him money.
Kaloku iyaxhomekeka kaloku
Oh,
uba
so it's dependent on?
the relationship kaloku. Uba where you guys are, did you fix the problem that you had, etc., 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 etc.
Wandimosha lo bhuti.
Okay, and then ke ngoku you guys broke up and then ke you still friends. So ke it means ke naba right nazilungisa into zenu.
Okay.
Yeah, so not unless ke wenza decision nawe because ke sakubambe ngeni whatever ke akubambe ngayo or uyak-blackmailer, then it's a different story. But if it's just like, oh, Fonini, I mean, we got over it. I mean, now yakwazi unimosha Fonini and then we get over it and then we continue being friends or whatever the case may
Yeah.
be. So that doesn't have a bearing on anything.
Really?
Yeah, people put too much emphasis on exes, bro.
I know. This is the thing. So my whole thing is, should we be friends? Like, is it okay to be friends with your ex?
Ewe. You must remember, before this person was your person, they first were a person that you got along with and a person that you shared certain interests with.
Then I'm namoshana.
Then go number, namoshana. So ke ngoku, and now you broke up because of whatever emotion an emotion ngayo or akumoshe ngayo or omoshe ngayo, irreconcilable differences, whatever. But there's still other commonalities.
100% as human beings.
Yes.
So you've taken away the romantic side of things,
Yeah.
which is fine.
Yes.
And that's not the end all and be all of
No.
who we are because we're full humans.
Yes.
And so now we've decided, and so we are going to continue as friends.
Correct. And we can continue in a normal, healthy friendship.
And so what if your partner's not comfortable with that?
Then why engekho comfortable?
Because ucinga uba Fonini apho amanzi akhe adlula khona
Okay, so
ayakwazi uphinda.
that
adlule.
means you don't trust me.
No, listen to what I'm
Yes.
saying. Apho amanzi. This has nothing to do with you.
What do you mean?
Apho amanzi. Where water has passed before,
Okay, where's my choice
it
in all
can
of that?
pass again.
Where's my choice in all of that?
Ikhona lokho choice.
Yeah, and where's my loyalty to you? And where's my, okay, sure, I'm here now. This is not going to happen.
So if your partner was like, I don't like it that you're friends with Sandy, you'd be like, no, bro, I'm gonna keep being friends.
No,
with
I would be like, tell me more. Why don't you like that I'm friends with Sandy?
because you guys were in a relationship, and I'm just like scared, like, ba Sandy angaphinda akufune.
Okay, baninzi abantu abandifunayo, bra.
Eh?
No, sensitsho. I mean, bro, wonke umuntu uyafuna. Talita, stop it. Wonke umuntu uyafuna
And ufuna kwezi comments, actually.
Man, Talita.
Sorry.
Just be serious for like 2 seconds.
I got you.
So, baninzi abantu, just like nabe baninzi abantu abakufunayo. But yeah, I also have a part to play in that. And drawing the lines in the sand with the sandy to say, yo, dog, no, dinomntu ngoku, just like I would with any other person. I still feel like it's still 100% my choice and my doing, etc., etc., etc. Where's me in all of this?
Of course, it's like you don't have a choice, but have you never been uncomfortable with someone that you are with being friends with an ex? Ever?
No. Because mna ndibanazo friends with my ex.
Or just because of that?
Yes.
Wanini umntu uhlala efonini hour kicking their legs in the air.
Kaloku for everything within reason also.
What? He's my friend. Why can't I be on the phone
Do
for
you
an
do
hour?
that with any of your other friends?
Of course.
Okay, then it's fine. Rock. Nangam, me saying, ba, don't be ex yakho because you've been with this person before and it's a risky. Nangam, it's all risky. Then suphangela. You understand? Because khona la athi phaya kuSpani iyakufuna. Then suphangela, then suya ecaweni, then don't do anything. Don't walk in the street. Na break up for nini for a reason. I think it's like because I was trusty. Because I was trusty wena in fact. Wena ungabuyela wena ba umuntu wakho ngathi ya baby girl hayibo. Ngafa ngashiyela ngamela yakho for nkama life. Uzupela ubuyile. Then no, it's wrong.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's very
no.
wholesome of you.
Yeah.
I really did not expect you to have this answer.
No, you know why? I think I'm very much a what's good for the goose is good for the gander type of person, and I try to be wary of into endiyaziyo mna uba ndiyayenza. I think it's very unfair, but into ndiyayazi uba ndiyayenza, then expect you not to do it. I
And a
think-
lot of people do that.
Yo,
though.
a lot of people do that, and I think it's unfair. And I try to be very cognizant of, well, hayi ndiyayenza mna le nto foni, so andikwazi ukuthi kuwe suyenza. You understand? Andikwazi mna ndinxibe ushoti omfutshane ndithi wena into zakho nxiba zi-revealing. I can't do that. If I wear things that show off my body, I can't then say to you uba zi-revealing. So for me, nyhani ina ethe mshana. I really believe so, because it's the double standards for me. The double standard is a very dangerous thing, because you can't liken those things. Omnye uzathi, oh, wena ubuya ebusuku, sure mna ndizochomana ne-ex yam. Asifani ezo nto ezo, you understand? Mna if ndibuya ebusuku, I must be okay with nomnye buya ebusuku. Dinga end up ngoku behave out of pocket because they're doing what I do. Otherwise, don't do it then.
Yeah.
If andifuni uba mayenziwe.
Fair
You know?
enough.
You're so quiet. You're taking it all in.
Yeah, I'm also.
Think me off guard because you didn't expect it.
No, I expected you to fight me somewhere.
No, I'd never fight you, bro. There's certain things, man. That's just how I feel. But too often, you come and you want to put the standard. So, you don't and you want to come put it here. But hayi mna funa undinike yo, funa undinike me friend allowance. Uyithatha phi lo leyo? Nam ndinike. Where are we? At what point man make sisebenzise man imejula? No, guys. Yeah. I feel like too often we take standards from other people that we don't even understand, and we can't even
100%.
explain, and we want to take them and put them in our lives. It doesn't
Yeah.
work.
Because if you had to ask that person, ba, dikunikeleni i-girlfriend allowance, anga-aza.
Yeah, exactly.
Hayi, kaloku ndiyitshere yakho.
Okay, sure. Renda. Sure, mustandi.
Ndiyakurenda.
No, man.
Irendi
No,
love.
let's not even go there.
Why?
No,
'Cause
no.
I know
It's a sensitive topic.
But you brought it up.
No, sorry, ndimo wrong. It's a very sensitive topic, that one.
Okay, fine.
How do you deal with it?
With what?
That.
Yeah, so I've remained friends with, a couple of my exes.
And you don't mind if your person is then...
Ayigqibelani person.
Kaloku in general.
I don't think so. I don't think it's anything that's ever come up.
Okay.
So I don't know how I would deal with it if it came up. I'd like to think that I would deal with it in a way that is mature and,
Okay.
understanding, but I have no idea. But I think it also depends on what the story around the situation is.
Okay.
And the story I can only get from you as like umntu wam. And so whatever story you tell is the truth to me. So if, excuse me, you come to me and you tell me, ba, ex yakho yayikuhlukumeza, ikuntontoni, not treating you well, cheating on you, and all of that, and making you feel terrible about yourself.
Yeah.
It's going to be hard for me to accept why you're still friends with this person.
Correct. Yeah, but then it's like any other toxic person. It's like if it was a toxic friendship or a toxic family relationship, still the same. Ayinabu ex, ba umuntu wabenjani. That's just how I see it. Why your exes is special? They're not special. They're just people, bro.
They truly are.
Yeah.
Which is why I say, I'll know my ex-yam forever. Oh, go. Sajola in primary school. I'm 41.
when the ex-
The
only count the
ex-yam!
evidence.
Oh, your ex-yam.
It's only count the evidence when the ex.
Evidence in don't.
Yeah, I'm down to Bandwan.
Bola katsotsi.
You understand?
Yeah, no, look.
Outside of that, yeah.
I definitely think there should be a statute of limitations on exes.
Yeah.
Like, where you just like, bro, you're someone that I used to know, bro.
Yeah.
Like, I'll say your ex-yam because ngoko nami ngiqokeleli ex.
Exactly. And the fellows show me, friendship circle,
Exactly, because even in a situation where we're friends, I'm referring to you as my ex. I'm not even referring to you as my friend anymore. I'm like, hi, ex-yam.
No.
That's not cute.
Ayinguye mphulaphuli tu.
Dikwe finish nini.
So okay. You can always remain friends with your exes. You disclose. Also, are your ex yako a friend yako? Come on, guys. It's all simple and semantics.
So if I don't tell you that it's my ex and I just say it's my friend, is that a lie? Is like not a lie, but is that some kind of deception?
That depends on your rule as two people. Are we going to disclose this or not? To be clear, guys. I'm just like, just be clear. What is the expectation? If umdi ex yam uyafuna ndixelele okanye awufuni ndixelele cha
Xa sidibana naye mall.
Yes. Because you know that these things are going to happen also.
Yeah.
Cha yathanda pretending ngathi izokwenzeka. Ngoku kufuneka ndibe ndisive eBrain ngoku ba fonini. AwuThalita ku watch out ke la Thalita lo. Uyathanda ndotshisa amaqanda xa senza ibreakfast. Oh, you hear that at a bra talk? What do you mean?
And you're like, caught off guard.
Exactly, caught off guard. Go khamisile.
But I said to you that I don't want you to tell me you can get exes out. Now you're hearing this at a bride. So
you don't want me to tell you?
Yes.
And then we've
no,
Brian.
you said you don't want me to tell you.
Yes.
And now we've Brian by Jazamakanda.
Yeah.
So you're not allowed to be upset at that.
No, I'm not. I chose my path, Galo.
Yes.
You can't be upset, no. Just be a man about it.
Hundreds.
No, clean.
I like your stance on these things.
No,
I hope
man,
that I saw stance in your way.
No. Look, I mean, it's changed from who I was, but can chinchile now as a person.
Really?
And kulil
Did you think differently?
Danu double standards, hypocrite yomhlaba kaloku mna. But things change, people change, bro.
What changes?
You start to form opinions on certain things and you start to think through certain things. And
critically
you start to
think about them.
Yes, go through certain experiences. Ukuzbuze where, naba, what's your reason? Yeah, group think, but amachita ati, no, nabantu bati, no. It's your own individual thinking. When you start thinking as an individual, I think that very much changes things. Because then it's like, then you can stand behind whatever you talk about.
And create your own story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, absolutely.
100%. I like that. Bekuke, just to wrap up, bekuke comment up, I said, ba, utamzupela makanxiba wedding ring yakhe because of, and as because of what? Macheria, lose our minds.
My lady.
Sicela uyilandukele because i-comments sana ngutamzupela. Yo, please tell your brother. I'm like, he's gonna see this. You tell him. Please tell your brother ndiyamthanda. Yo, lo bhuti. How does that make you feel?
I don't know. It doesn't make me feel anything.
You don't feel nothing?
No.
Not even a young, oh man, nobody grand.
No, it's so, funny. I mean, there's a husband compared. Yeah, I must stop it. I don't know why you bring this up. Funny song is husband compared. You understand? And no, but I'm not everyone's cup of tea, but you go about and the cup of tea, yabo. And that's okay. It happens.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing to say.
No, I really appreciate the love. Thanks for the love. Shout out to everybody. But yeah, nothing more from my side. Why are you doing this?
Because it's the constant thing. It's the one thing that is in every single comment on all our things.
Okay.
People are like going crazy about you as if I'm chopped liver. But I'm not complaining. I'm not. But people are just like, hey, and then I'm like, you're right, Muslim as a guy.
Man, yeah. No, it's all good.
Am I making you feel sure?
What's this, bro?
Sorry.
Sorry about this, guys. I don't know what's come over her. It's wild.
Okay, well, I'm glad we could have spoken about that.
Okay. All right. Well, that's it from us.
Yeah.
As I said, I think more than anything else, my whole thing is just being able to move out of groupthink, and we don't realize how much we are in groupthink up until certain situations zikufacile. So inguwe nomntu kwe oniba itu ebuzba ngoba awukwazi ukuthi no AP what now you must uzimele ngeqayelangeni. I think for me it's better to solve things before they happen, so that you can stand yourself, which I think just helps with a whole bunch of other things.
Yeah, because we're not dating in groups. We're dating individuals. and we're married to individuals. So if your reason for stuff is just that, it's just stuff that you're regurgitating that you've heard before, which happens a lot.
Yeah.
But you've never actually thought about, you've never even thought about what it means to you as an individual. Even if you like that statement, you haven't thought about that, then there's going to be a big problem when those things come up in your world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, for sure. So, you know what it is? We wait to hear what you guys think about that.
Yeah.
And then we will then respond on that, and then we'll take it from there. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell.
And a big shout out to Case in Point Studios. You guys have been talking about the studio every week.
Absolutely.
Like, we love the new studio. Case in Point Studios. Big shout out to you
Yeah.
for making us cute as hell.
Yeah, this is where we are. This is where we shoot at, and this is where we get all our stuff done. And they are obviously open to other people wanting to come here and do their podcasts. So they're gonna put a link in here, or we'll put a link in the description as well, and you guys can
100%.
check it out.
So you can check them out.
Sweet.
Okay, cool. And don't forget, love each other.